In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your activity time on the Facebook app. So you'd want to go ahead and launch the Facebook app, and then you just want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right if you're on an Android device. It might be located in a slightly different area if you're on an iPhone. Tap on the three stripes, and then you just want to scroll down to settings and privacy. Tap on that. Under settings and privacy, it says your time on Facebook. If you tap on that, it's going to go ahead and show you how much time on average you spend on the app every single day. And you can actually scroll down and set daily time reminders. So let's say if I want to get an alert when I've spent 1 hour on Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and select 1 hour, and then you would tap on set reminder. And then once the activity time reaches 1 hour, I will get a notification saying that I've been on Facebook for 1 hour this day. So that is how you see your time per day on the Facebook app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.